Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a ship out on some Jordan 11 Jubilees. Now let's get into the video. First off, this is a one-on-one box effect that they had put on the Jubilees. Like, look how it opens. It got a little magnetic strip and everything. But anyways, let's go ahead and get these shipped out. So we're gonna get these in the box and add the bubble wrap, and then we're gonna start breaking this box down. But we're gonna do it by cutting the edges and folding it in. And like usual, you can never forget the business cards. And the final step is getting the label on the box. So I'm gonna show you the process of how I do that. And there you have it for the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee ship out.